In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Google Ads quality score for more conversions. The quality score is a critical metric in Google Ads that impacts your ad performance. It dictates how well your ads perform and can even affect your cost per click. Improving this score is a powerful way to enhance your campaign's effectiveness. So let's dive in and explore the steps you need to increase your quality score effectively. First, you need to head over to Google Ads. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Google Ads or searching for it through a search engine. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll want to click on the Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. Signing in will take you to your Google Ads home screen, where you can view all your ongoing campaigns. Having arrived at your Google Ads home, look for the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu. Clicking there will show you a detailed overview of all your current advertising campaigns. This overview is a crucial step as it helps you see which campaigns might benefit most from a quality score boost. Next, you'll click on the Assets tab. The Assets section is where you manage creative elements for your campaigns, such as images and videos. It plays an integral role in how well your ad performs. Now, you will create a new asset by clicking on the Create Asset button. Doing so allows you to add new creative materials to your campaigns, which can significantly enhance their performance and thus improve your quality score. Once you've created new assets, you need to focus on the ad copy itself. Click on Headline in the Assets menu because headlines are the first point of engagement with the potential customer. From here, you can click Add Headline to introduce new headlines or edit existing ones. Crafting compelling headlines is essential. They need to be relevant and eye-catching to capture the viewer's attention effectively. One of the most influential aspects of improving your quality score is using exact keywords within your ads. Keywords play a vital role because they need to match closely with the search terms your potential customers are using. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve relevancy, helping to drive impressions and clicks to your ads. Each step we've discussed is aimed at boosting the ad's relevance, enhancing the user experience, and thereby increasing the quality score. Consistently monitoring and optimizing these elements ensures not only improved scores but also more effective ad spending and increased conversions. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to achieving higher quality scores on Google Ads. Becoming attentive to these details can make a significant difference in your advertising performance. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your digital marketing strategies.